Mike, and this is Toy Review Tuesday. Today on the table, we have a giant mystery egg from Ryan's Toy Review. How big is this thing?
It's super huge.
It's super huge, that's right. It could have mystery slime, squishy figures, a plush toy, a mystery figure, or light and sound vehicle, an egg-exclusive. Who knows what's in there? Look at that, who's that?
Ryan!
What color is this?
Red. Open it!
Okay, we'll open it. All right.
Ryan Toy Review.
Ryan Toy Review. Throw this. We don't need that. We don't need that either. This egg is so big you can't even see Baron. Look. He's completely blocked. Oh, there he is. Okay, you ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Here we go.
Open it.
You do it. Whoa!
Toys.
Toys?
Hey, my little toys. Hide it.
What kind of toys are in here? Okay. Oh my, there's so much. What is this? Is that a robot or a rocket ship?
A superhero.
This is a mystery figure. What is that?
I don't know.
I don't know either. It's like a blue Ryan.
Hey, it's a rocket ship.
Oh, does he go in the rocket ship?
Yep, he's doing.
That's what he does.
Yep, he's doing the rocket ship.
Oh, he drives the rocket ship. That's so cool. A toy bear?
It's a toy bear. It's a toy bear.
This is a mystery squishy. Go ahead. Whoa! What is it?
And the sweaty.
It's a squishy! Oh, what? Look. Look at his face.
Bloop, bloop, bloop.
Okay, here you go. Let's see what's in this one. Oh no, what is that?
Slime.
Slime!
We don't need that.
We don't need slime. Daddy's gonna put on his hat. Let's put our hats on, Baron.
No, I don't want to need that hat.
You don't want that hat? Okay, we're not wearing hats. There's one more thing, Baron. It's mystery goo. What's the difference between goo and slime? I don't know. I guess we're about to find out. Who are you gonna call?
No button.
Oh! Oh! What is this? So gross. Look, what if we put it in the rocket ship? Oh, look! The rocket ship has been attacked by slime. What's your favorite, Baron?
That.
The squishy? All right, Baron's favorite is the Ryan superhero squishy. We also have a blue Ryan superhero that drives this ship that has lights and... Oh no! Oh no! And then we have a Ryan keychain here it's like a plushie.
Whoa, that blue slime. Hey, that green slime. Oh no!
Oh no!
We need Ryan.
We need Ryan to save the day. Oh no! So that's everything you get in the Giant Ryan's Toy Review Surprise Egg. Surprise! Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Toy Review Tuesday. If you want to see more toys, check out one of these right here. Also, don't forget to subscribe and push that little bell icon so you can see we open next Tuesday right here on Toy Review Tuesday. Say bye, Baron.
Bye.
Bye.